Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK Codify, and in this video we are going to talk about the map data structure in JavaScript. This is very useful data structure that used to help us solve a very real problem and in the real project, and especially when you are doing um, back-end development. There, this is a very useful data structure. This is a key value pair data structure. If you don't know, we are going to see that what does it mean actually. Excuse me. And we are going to see these methods in that. Okay, so key value pair data structure means a value is placed in the container. In the container means the data structure with a key, and that key has a relation with that value. So we have to, if we have to get that value, we have to use the key. So key is basically the unique key to identify, to get that record or set the record. Okay, so let's see that what does it mean. So to create a map, what we need to do is let product map is equal to new map, and we can use set method, product map dot set. Here we have to insert two values. We have to add two parameters. It is up to you what you are going to use as a unique key for the product. Here I'm going to, let's say, use the item code. Okay, product code. So it's suppose that it's a product code and it's a product name, maybe anything. So because we are doing a practice work, just a kind of tutorial, but in the real project we will have a object, a proper um, product object. Okay, we might use to fetch, we will use to fetch the bunch of records maybe in the JSON format from an API, and we will try to store on in the product map, or maybe we might be getting it from some database and store at runtime in the product map, in the map. Okay, so using the set function we can add an item into the map, and the first parameter would be a key, and the second parameter is the real value, and it can be of uh, any type. Okay, and it would be a real object. Your object, your value, it can be number, object, string, anything. Okay, and key is going to be unique. Okay, let's see, let's try to add some more product into this, and let's say item code is this, and is banana. Okay, now try to print the size of that map. Product map dot, do we have size? Yes, size. So let's see what is the size of this product map, how many items in the map data structure. So we have two items. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and copy and paste it. So I'm going to make two entry of this, duplicate entry of this same item code. Okay, of the banana. Now let's see what is the result. Oh, it's a still 2. Okay, because we can the product map, I mean the map can have unique key. Map can store unique key, so the key has to be unique in the entire map. Okay, let's say our value is anything. it doesn't matter, it's pineapple. And but the product code is 1002. Now see the result. Now still the value is 2. Now see actual result, what is there uh, in the map. So let's say a const item of product map console.log and print item. Okay, see this, the previous value got replaced by uh, the latest entry. So that is to be remember that okay, we can use only the unique, we can use the map with the unique value, so that has to be remembered. Now and for these methods, most of these methods work with key. I mean, key is a reference to your real object. Okay, so let's say this, let's say if I have to fetch one data. Okay, let's now, for now I'm just making it 3 to make 3 in 3. Okay, now if I want to get any object, uh, console.log product map dot get, what I want, I am fetching a particular object, uh, particular product, but through a item, I mean product code. Okay, so most of the operation are based on the key. Okay, and that's why it is a very important and useful uh, data structure. Like if you are working, if you are a developer and working in any project, most of the time what we have in our hand at the time of development is some kind of primary key, some kind of unique key, and based on that we have to uh, manage our data. Okay, so okay, so here we can see the get method is taking a key parameter and giving the result, the object, the value in hand. Okay, now going to see the other method, which is delete. Let's see the has method. Okay, has method. So if you are thinking, if you are thinking to check, okay, let me check if the apple already exists or not. Okay, we are in, our intention is to check if the apple already exists or not, or banana already exists or not. So we are not going to type, we are not going to ask by the object value, we have to ask it by the, we have to check it by the key only. Okay, so I'm checking like, okay, banana already exists or not. It exists. If it does not exist, let's say we are trying to find something which does not exist. Okay, so it is going to give us false, false. Okay, so this is the use of has. We don't have to use the real value to check it exists or not. Okay, now see the delete method. Okay, delete also the same thing as we have to delete. If we have to delete, we have to use the key, and it will give in the return true or false. If it is successfully deleted, it will give us true. If it is not successfully deleted, it is going to give us false. Okay, because it does not exist. So okay, uh, the next thing is entries, which is going to get iterable. The same thing, let's just do that. Product map dot entries, what we are going to get, uh, entries, it's an iterable. What we can do, the same thing that we did with the directly with the product map. Okay, so we can say const item of entries and console.log, and we can say item. Okay, here you would be able to see the entry, the real item, entire item. Entries means the entry of the real entry, the whole entry with the key and value representation. Okay. What the next is for each. Yeah, the for each is given to perform some callback operation. Okay, so let's say a callback operation on each item. So what we are going to do, product map dot for each, and what we are going to get, key comma value, both of the things we are going to get. uh, okay, so here we can perform our logic, whatever. So let me, I'm going to print the key plus the value in the capital form. Value dot to uppercase, is it fine? String, am I writing something right? No, not to our, not to uppercase is not here. But anyways, we can do anything that we want. So this is value, whatever we want to perform on the object value. uh, it depends on you what you want to do. Okay, how I can do something on that. mm, mm, mm. Let formatted value is equal to um, value. Okay, and what I can do, formatted value I can print here, that is same thing. We can perform any logic based on this. Oh, wait. Oh, oh, oh. So I think I'm wrong. I think I'm wrong. Why this is value? Is this value and this is key? I think I did the wrong thing. That's why we were getting. Okay. So this two uppercase, is it going to work? Uppercase. Yes. So it was my mistake. The first parameter is value and the second parameter is key. Okay. Uh, just yeah. So yeah, this data structure is really useful. Most of the time, you will find it very uh, useful in some scenario. It is going to be your best friend. Okay, so this is all about the map data structure in JavaScript. Thank you.